Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a new Samsung Internet autofill forms profiles on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And then on the home screen, tap on the Samsung Internet app. Next, tap on the menu key at the bottom. And then tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Personal Data. Then tap on Autofill Forms. Make sure it is switched on at the top. And then tap on Profiles. In here, tap on the Add button at the top. And then in here, you can start filling in the form information, such as choosing your country, name, organization, street, so one test street, city, state, zip code, and then tap on saved. Now I think I missed out some information down here. Phone number, email, and then tap on saved. Okay, so now we have added in the first profile. You can continue to add in any more profiles, such as your partner profile, or you can tap on delete button to delete a profile that you don't want to use. Now once you have added, you can tap on the back key to go back to your viewing web page. So here's if I want to fill in a form, I can tap on that and you can see it will automatically populate all the informations for me, so I don't have to fill in some of the information manually. And that's it, because this form is quite extensive. It's got quite a lot of information here, and it doesn't fill everything, but it fills most of the stuff that we often need to repeat ourselves. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.